Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys lava phone guys talkback stop setting. How to stop talkback on lava mobile. Friends, you want to stop talkback on lava mobile. So friends, how to stop talkback in this video friends, we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, on a lava mobile guys, talkback is on, talkback is enabled. So how to stop talkback, and once you are not operating your lava mobile and your phone screen is off, and once you want to unlock your lava mobile, so how to unlock lava mobile. So once you can unlock with double tap. Once one tap here on clock, double tap here, you can unlock your phone. And once you can unlock your phone with two finger, also swipe here and you can unlock. So once you use your two finger, then once you can stop talkback. One finger fence if you use, you cannot stop talkback. So friends, one tap here on phone setting, and friends continue double tap, and friends click here Wi-Fi setting, and friends again use your two finger. Friends click here intelligent assistant setting, double tap here. Friends click here smart answer setting and scroll with two finger. Friends, last option accessibility. Friends, one tap here, double tap here. Talkback setting, friends, one tap and double tap here. Use talkback, friends, one tap here, double tap here, and friends you can see stop option, double tap here, one tap. Then friends you can see double tap and talkback will stop on lava mobile. So friends, if you double tap, talkback will stop on your device, and friends you can use your lava mobile without talkback. And friends, you don't know about how to use talkback setting, friends you can see how to use talkback, how to turn off talkback. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.